In the first episode, we tried to solve the problem of carrying luggage on the Super Meteor by installing saddle stays from Autoengina and then creating saddlebags made to fit it perfectly.
The second bag is now ready. Along with the canvas, we've made a few functional changes to the bag that we found lacking in the first one. We've taken this bag and ridden it for about 200 kilometers to identify if there are any issues. We've identified 3 of them. But before we go ahead, let's do a small poll within Trip Machine to choose which canvas we like more. I like Exhibit B. आपको सिर्फ बाहर से canvas नहीं बताना.
This is better. B is better. क्या होगा?
Like this one is better. ये अच्छा लग रहा है. ये वाला अच्छा.
ये?
Let me take you through the bag. For this, we've used a 12-ounce canvas and combined it with our leathers. The mount is a simple slide on and snap on to the bag, which would hardly take 10 seconds. We want to make this bag as a daily user, but with sufficient space for touring. The bag is about 16 inches wide and 12 inches tall. It's also 6 inches deep. With this, the bag has a total carrying capacity of 23 liters. When you combine 2 bags, you have a space of 46 liters for your tour. On the inside, we have a waterproof lining, a padded compartment for your laptop, a pocket for essentials, and a key holder. We also plan to put an additional pocket for a mobile or a power bank. We also have 2 quick access pockets in the front and 2 on the sides. The side ones can also double up for carrying bottles. On the bottom, there is a quick access rain cover pocket. While you have this handle to carry the bag, it can get really heavy with the amount of storage it has, and hence we've made a robust shoulder strap to carry it around. After riding it for about 200 kilometers, we've identified a few problems. The first is this leather strap gets a lot of tension, and over prolonged use, it might tear apart. We will move this to the back panel to solve this issue. The next is that this bag bends slightly inside, especially when you put a lot of weight in it. Now, it's not much and will not touch any of the motorcycle moving parts, but aesthetically it goes a bit inside. We will make another version with a hard back and then choose between the hard one and the soft one. We plan to launch them in 4 colors. While the bag is not ready, I'll take you through the options. So Gagan, show us the colors.
एक हमारा ये है अर्दी ब्राउन और एक ये हमारा है मिलिट्री ग्रीन, जिसके साथ हम लोग ये टबैको अपना जो कलर है वो यूज़ करते हैं लेदर. इसके साथ भी और इसके साथ भी.
परफेक्ट.
रॉयल ब्लू के साथ हम लोग ये विंटेज टैन यूज़ करेंगे लेदर. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज ब्लैक.
We've decided not to change the handlebar for the moment because we want to put a 12 or a 14-inch handlebar and we are not able to find the cables for it. If you know someone who can help us with the cables, let us know. Let's get to the sissy bar. While I don't prefer a back seat, the sissy bar is a great option if you're riding with a pillion. We're putting it for aesthetic purpose, but it may come in handy if you want to mount something on the back too. So there you have it. In the 3rd episode, we're going to take this bike out and test the bag out for about a 200-300 kilometer spin.